Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft has announced officially now that 23H2 for Windows 11 is coming. As you guys might know, on the insider rings, we're already testing that. They actually have announced that it will come into the fourth quarter of 2023. So this is going to be somewhere between September and December. Probably a lot of us think it's probably sometime in October, late October. So 23H2 will be the next branch of Windows 11. It will come as a enablement package, which will just trigger on switches that will actually turn on features. And so what's to expect in there is a few little things like Windows Copilot. We think is going to be part of that. Native support for RGB lighting controls. Modernized File Explorer, which is supposed to be better, and we've already started seeing it in some of the insider builds. Taskbar ungrouping. There will be a new and improved Windows Spotlight. Native support for TAR, for RAR, GZ, 7-zip, and so on, that you'll be able to open these archives without having to download any software, which is pretty cool. So these are some of the interesting features. Not, of course, that they might all be there. Some of them might still not be there. Microsoft is working on them, but will they be ready in time? That's another story. But we know that 23H2 for Windows 11 is coming this fall, and will probably coincide closely with 21H2 that will be ending the support for Windows 11. So that's coming up, and of course more news of anything that might be coming in the future as we get them. So Microsoft officially announcing 23H2 for the fourth quarter of this year, with a few new features. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.